This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Make sure your phone is on, charged, and online. Open the Google app or go to Settings, Google Search, Assistant, and Voice. Once done, check that you're signed into the correct Google account. This ties voice activity to your profile. Now you're positioned to change voice controls. This step avoids later confusion and ensures your settings apply immediately to the device you're using. Next, you dive into Voice Match. Tap Voice or Voice Match inside those Google settings. Turn on Hey Google and follow the prompts to train your voice. Say the phrases clearly when asked so Google recognizes you. Make sure you grant microphone access and any permission requests that pop up. Without them, the feature won't listen. Once trained, Google will react to your wake phrase, and the assistant will be ready to process conversational queries hands-free. Finally, test the setup. Say, "Hey Google," and give a short command like, "What's the weather?" If it doesn't respond, retrain the voice model in Voice Match or toggle microphone permission off and on. This refreshes access. Make sure the Google app is updated and then restart your device to clear temporary glitches. If you still have trouble, check language settings and background noise. These commonly block recognition. Then try the voice training again for a cleaner sample.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.